Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to mark a listing on Craigslist as sold. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Craigslist website if you have not already by going to craigslist.org right here, and after opening it up it's going to log into this main page. So this is the main page from where the first thing we want to do is log into our account. So in the upper right corner you are going to use the account option to log into your account from where you have made the post that you want to mark as sold. So once you've go ahead and logged into your account, now you can go ahead and click the profile icon in the upper right corner. That's going to enable you to open up your profile settings, and from here we can go and take a look at the menu with all the settings we can access, such as postings, drafts, searches, and so on. So let's go and take a look at how to mark an item as sold. In the postings tab you're going to be able to see all the posts you have made. I currently have no posts, but they're going to look like this in the list. You're going to be able to see the title of your post and so on, and you're going to see multiple options such as edit, repost, delete, and so on. There are two ways you can mark something as sold. You can either just delete the title and you can just go ahead and delete the posting once you've sold something and no, it's no longer going to be visible to other people, or you can click the edit button. By clicking the edit button, it's going to go ahead and enable you to edit the title of your Craigslist post, and you can put something like sold or not available anymore and so on, and this is going to let people know that it's been sold, and those are the options you have. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.